Here I'm is. Now, what the fuck do I want to do now? Well, I suppose I can put my helmet on so I can see better. Yeah, really? Yeah, no, not to see better, but just to get it out of the way. I won't have to deal with my helmet later on. Because I'm going to turn my tunes on too. See? Then I get these in my pocket here. Can't tell. Pocket. Tunes on. Boom. I guess I'm in. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, there's a hourglass that goes around. And right now it is. Hang on, let me get my lock for it. Guys alright? Huh? Alright, let's crank this fucker up. Thank you. Yeah, I like those guys. Even though I got 8 feet right over here to ride on, those guys are always very nice to move away from me. If they can. Now right here we go. This is the opposite side of when we started this ride. This is that one, I think it's for sale. I think somebody bought the one. It's making renovations. Nope, watch out for the bump. So I got this baby cranked right here. What do you need? Talk to me. What? You kidding me? Later. We'll do that later, kiddo. Not right now. I'm busy driving, trying to ride this bicycle. Bicycle, bicycle. See? I'm already starting to wander. Yeah, I had 3 bananas left yesterday. Oh! Oh, wait a minute. Never mind. 2341. I think I started at 2338. And it is. He's got earbuds in. He doesn't always live. 4 o'clock. God damn it. I thought it was 5 o'clock. That clock in Hanks is just, no, can't read it very good across the room. Oh, road work. Doing something with the church street. I hope so. This fucking thing is a mess. Well, today, people, I'm going right out to the end where those solar panels are. And I'm going to, I'm going to stop at my favorite frickin' spot in the whole world, right here, people. See it? No, that ain't it. Oh, wait a minute, it is. Oh, no, it's not. I'm not that curve yet. Oh, he's going that way, too. All right, I guess I will, too. Oh, right here, then. That's where I'm is. I want to be buried right over there in the corner. I think that's what I want. I can't get on this side because this is old folks, 17, 1800s. That church. Look at that church, people. Is that the most gorgeous structure you've ever seen in your life? That is colonial right there, peoples. Yeah, I like it. All right, let's pass this bicycler. Because he just was riding his bike in front of me. You saw him. And I'm just going to ride like I would, but I'm going, I said earlier, I think, I don't know, I can't remember, because I am fucked up. So if I go to the end of this road, that's as far as I'm going to go. Because this road goes for, another 2 miles. I know, not much, but still, I'm not going up Barry Hill. I'm going to go to where the solar panels is. What'd you say? Talk louder, Gary? All right, I'm sorry, I will. What do we got here? Oh, man. About time they fix this road. I said that to the Oriental girl that was holding a slow sign. About that, huh? Now he's going to catch me on the hill and go right by me. Don't forget, I'm not pedaling. Oh, I'm not pedaling nothing. I get nothing to give, people. Or I don't have nothing to sell. No, I'm me. This is it. All right, truck coming up. About time they did Maple Street. Fucking awesome. Haven't I been saying this for the last couple of, no, maybe a year or so, that they need to straighten out this road. All right, man. All right. All right. Bumpy. Bumpy as a mofo. Bumpy. Have you seen anything yet? You guys are still tilted too far off. There you go. Oh, about that. Oh, car coming the other way. Look out. They started from the other end. This fucking thing is done. Oh, they're almost done if they have to go to Route 6. Oh, this is awesome. I mean, this is bumpy, but this is awesome that they're fixing this fucking street. Oh, yeah. There's a drain right there. If you saw the orange. I haven't even meet May Street yet. So if this orange, you can bet that that drainage is going to be at the mark of, wow, where they put the new tar. Nice. Fucking nice, Garrett. Nice and bumpy and gonna get fixed. No, I want to see this thing work. I can't believe it. So anyway, talking with Patty today. And I don't remember his name, but I can't. Come on, I'm drinking. Are you kidding me? I can't remember my own name. So he was in the service for 20 years, the Army for 20 years, all over the fucking place. Oh shit, yeah, all over the place. And then I jumped in there and said, I was stationed at Quonset Point for 2.5 years and Newport, Rhode Island for the other 2. I drove to work almost every day. I was home, people. Yeah, they just dumped me somewhere. Had a good time. Partied! Oh, I was freaking partying in Newport every other day. Yeah, I can't take every day, people. You know what it's like. But yeah. Saw a lot of Newport. What a fucking unbelievable place. Unbelievable place. Right on the coast of Rhode Island here. Beautiful. Beautiful. All the cliff walk, the whole thing there is absolutely beautiful in Rhode Island. Newport, Rhode Island. I spent a year and a half there and I had a fucking, I can't believe I drank that much. Yeah, drafts were 15 cents. What could a freaking 21-year-old sailor think about drafts? 15 cents. All right, give me 5. Oh yeah, now 5 minutes later, give me another 5. All right, we're going right through. So they're doing fucking Maple Street. No, I'm sorry, Church Street. Oh, look out, look out. See what this is right here, people? Bump. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed it. I jerked my wheel up so I could miss the first bump, and the other one was behind me, so what the fuck did I care? Got me? I hope you guys got me, because we're going all the way to the end, you and me. Now this is Church Street Extension, because this is when I was later than Church Street was ever a Church Street. Yeah, a couple nice homes out here. Yeah, like nice homes like to be secluded. They could care less about a fucking neighbor. Well, not that nice, but people just want to be out of the picture. They don't care about people in the neighborhood. Oh, let's go up the street first. This is White Brook Drive. I think it's a dead end. Nice homes up here. Can you see them? No? Sorry. The ones on this side too. Oh, yeah. Wow. And then this one. And then this one. Oh, basket freaking balls. Look at that. Alright, that's it. That's all you're going to see. Wow. Freaking nice homes. Oh, this is my cul-de-sac right here. Look at this. This is my cul-de-sac to turn around at. Good, going that woods right there. Come on. you guys still on? Oh, shit. I'm in this field at the end of White Birch Road. Was the name of it? Jeez, I forgot about you guys. I had to roll a fatty. Oh, and it is good. Hang on. What do you want to do? Dope. Take your best shot. No, it's not. What are you going to do with your life? Oh, man. Yep. All right, we'll stop this, which I should have probably stopped 5 minutes ago or maybe half an hour ago, but and we'll start it back up. Remember, it was all sun today. Earlier, it was nothing but sun. There were no clouds in the sky, and then they started, I think when I started out, there was like a small whisper of clouds. You know what a whisper is? Yeah, one here drove 40 miles. Is this a helicopter? Huh, I missed a helicopter. Here it is, just going over the trees. So I was under the trees, I couldn't see him. So anyway, Shabiz, how you doing today? You okay? Yep, we need to go, Gary. That's soft dirt. That's my she beast. I think I'm going to keep her as long as she lasts. When the battery dies and or I've got big trouble, I'll get rid of her. Don't tell her that. Jesus, if she overhears that conversation, she'll be pissed. So that's what, paid enough money for the 3 years I'm going to have it. Maybe even 4, I don't know. It all depends on if I can ride. You know what I'm saying? 42 and I found with 38, so I got 4 miles on. Alright, so I'm going to start all over again. And you guys are probably going to do it too. Metal.